In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived tasks in ClickUp. If you've ever archived a task and later needed to check its details or status, there's a quick way to surface those items without unarchiving anything. Let's walk through it together so you can confidently find what you need. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the overview of your team space within My Workspace. This is the high-level dashboard where you can see what's happening across that space. If you're not already there, use the left sidebar to navigate, click your workspace, then select the space you want and choose Overview. Being on the overview keeps you in the right context, so the next options show up exactly where you need them. Next, open the Spaces panel in the left sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Spaces that lists the spaces you're part of. Click it to expand if it's collapsed. This is where ClickUp lets you manage how spaces are displayed and what kinds of items are visible. Inside that Spaces area, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. It's usually near the Spaces header. Click it to reveal additional settings related to what you can show or hide in the sidebar and throughout the space. If your window is narrow, you may need to hover or expand the panel to see the icon clearly. From that menu, choose Show Archived. This toggles on visibility for anything that's been archived in this workspace. Once it's enabled, go back into your space and open the view you typically use, list, board, or another view. You'll notice that archived tasks now appear alongside active ones. They're easy to spot. There will be a small archived icon right after the task name, and the item may look slightly dim to indicate it's not active. You can click into an archived task to view its details, comments, attachments, and history. This is helpful if you're auditing old work, confirming outcomes, or referencing decisions without bringing the task back into an active workflow. Keep in mind that because it's archived, it won't behave like a live task until you choose to unarchive it. If your list looks cluttered after reviewing, simply return to the same three-dot menu in the Spaces area and turn off Show Archive to hide those items again. That way, your day-to-day views remain focused and you can bring back archived items only when you need them. And that's all it takes to view archived tasks in ClickUp. Quick, clear, and right where you work.